Okay, it's race day. It's Saturday. Mokan changes schedules for Saturday during the summertime. So we're gonna be leaving today around 1:15 or so. So that should get us up there plenty of time for the gate to open, get things unloaded, and go with that. But it is race day, so it's time to do the ritual. Got to get the truck all cleaned up. Got to get gas, get cash, all the normal routine stuff we do right before race day. Get the thing hitched up, get loaded up, get the fuel ready, and venture out later on the day. So anyway, this is bracket race number 2 of the year, so looking forward to it. Yeah, we had a freak rain shower move in through this morning, so with the dust laying around in the rain hitting it, it just it made it look ugly. So anyway, gonna get it all cleaned up, make it look good. So that's our next thing we can go ahead and just got back from getting some gas or diesel, got some money, washed the truck, got it all nice looking good now. So next thing, we can go in the shop here. I'm gonna go ahead and get things loaded up in the truck, get the trailer connected, and get ready to get out of here today. A little warm in here, it's about 80 degrees in here. But anyway, gonna get this thing connected to the truck, and I'll show you another cool thing that we did, how we haul our fuel around in the back of the truck, what we made for a container, and show how we store this fuel in the truck safely. And so anyway, show you that here in just a few minutes. Okay, we're getting ready to load our fuel up in the back of the truck, and what we did, we actually created a storage container or storage table, if you will. It's actually on casters, so it will actually scoot along this board. Each of the slots represents a fuel jug location, so the more the square ones in front for your 5-gallon containers for methanol. The rectangular ones are more for the 5-gallon gasoline cans that you get at any Walmart or Target or whatever automotive store. And we got a strap on the front of it. Oops, excuse me. Got a strap on the front of it, and that's tied to the front. Right there at the tank, I have a kind of a U-bolt looking thing. That's where the strap goes through. This way I can secure it toward the front. I have some straps here. Actually, we'll strap it up against here, but I'll show you how all that works when we get all that set up and stuff. They're actually 2 different colors. I got another video that kind of explains why they're 2 different colors, but I'm gonna go ahead and post a link up here so you can get to it. But it kind of explains the reason why they're 2 different colors and the reason why we do that. But anyway, if you want to click on that video, go ahead and I'll show you a reason why they're 2 different colors. But anyway, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna go ahead and put a strap through here and get it all secured. Go through the handles. Oops. And what we do, put it through there, secure it down, like that. Okay. Take a little stick. I'm pretty short, so I can't really. There we go. Then what we do, we'll actually secure it to these hooks in the truck. And like that. Voila. So now it's really secured, it's not going to go anywhere, and ready for the trip.
ready to head on out. Going by myself today. Pops, he's down in Houston, so it's going to be a little bit quiet on the road, but nevertheless, I'm going to be heading on out and go from there. Just about at Mokan. I'm coming in from the north, and the track is actually right now to the right of me. Not sure if the GoPro's picking that up or not, but the entrance is coming up here shortly. It's already a line here at the gate. Not a long one, but it's long enough to already turn in. Hey, how you doing?
It'll be all dirty one time you get in.
Yeah, I can't wait. No E. Q1's done. It's really hot up here. Track's kind of slick. We're gonna make a small air pressure adjustment. Red light the first qualifying pass, but I think I just jumped it too early on the light, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to pay really more close attention and really hit the light really good. Had like an 088 or 080 red, so definitely gonna make some adjustments on myself. So update. Second pass was a lot better than the first pass. And 60 foot's really got really good on this pass. I'll show you. So the 60 foot's got better, the ET got better. Not sure why. Also picked up the sun's actually coming down on the track, so the track might have got a little bit tighter. It's a different lane. That was the right lane versus the left lane. It's about an hour and a half between passes, so kind of confused of why the big disparity. I know the 60 foot's the biggest factor, but it picked up quite a bit. But plans are going to go ahead and dial for what it ran at last pass for the first. I'm going to go ahead and dial what it ran on the second pass and go with that and see how that goes. So anyway, all we can do is try. Yeah, that's cutting the light really close. It's a great light. Got the wind. Car would have ran even a quicker time. It calculated out to a 692 with a 3. I had a 94 on it. So we won that round. We'll go on the second round, see how it go from there. Okay, second round. This was pretty close race here. Didn't have as good a light as I wanted. You can see it right there. Basically, the guy broke out. I was running him down and looked like I wasn't going to get to him. So basically I just jumped on him and hoped he would break out, and he did. So I just won off of my dial. It was on target to actually do a breakout on me. Had a 92, would have ran a 91. So I did take 2 of it out, so I did what I was supposed to, and he just happened to break out. So anyway, on to round 3. Okay, get you an update. Won third round. wall down, so it delayed us about an hour. I'll go and show you my time slip. It's not the best. Finish margin was really close. I almost screwed up and gave it back there at the stripe, but a win's a win. As you can see, it says 12:35 a.m. so we're in the next day already. We'll keep. We're going round 4. Okay, didn't go as good in the 4th round. Didn't have that great of a light, although it's 1:24 in the morning. I had a 54 light to his 33. We had a double breakout. I just happened to break out by more. I broke out by 0239. He broke out by 010. I tried to dump it right at the end, just didn't take enough out of it. So that was my fault. But had a good night. Made just a little bit of money. Other than that, going to get all loaded up here and head on out.
Sure you can see me or not, but it is 4:30 in the morning. Just got back from a long day of racing. I'll show you that time. Yeah, 4:30. So anyway, I'm gonna go call it a night or a morning, how you want to call it, get some sleep, and we'll put everything away, and that will be it for now. As I said last night, we got home late last night. We got bugs. Not as many bugs as I thought, but it's enough to say we need to get it all cleaned up. And if you're not aware, I made a video about how keeping this clean, so I have a link up here so you can go ahead and take a look at it, and how to keep these things clean. Won't take me long to clean this up. Of course, the front of the truck has tons of bugs on it, so I'm going to have to get all that cleaned. We got everything put away. Another beautiful day here, nice and sunny. So anyway, it's time to get things cleaned up and go from there. And don't forget, if you like what you see, press that like button, and if you could, please subscribe to my channel. Got any questions or comments about today's video, please leave it down in the comment section, and we can talk more about that if you like.